What is ChatGPT? How can I use it? Can I make money from it? How do I access it? Well, you've come to the right place. In this video, I'm going to be covering all these topics and showing you how you can make money from ChatGPT and talking about what is ChatGPT. So please stay tuned. You've come to the right place. Okay, so what is ChatGPT? ChatGPT is a chatbot that can talk to humans like a real person. So, in short, it can remember things that you've previously discussed with it, as well as giving an explanation to things and elaborate on ideas. ChatGPT is an example of a trend called Generative AI, where computers can make different types of media and think as if they have their own brain. So ChatGPT can do things like your homework, it can code for you, it can check and do your code for you, it can write a blog or even make a script for a video like this. So as you can see, ChatGPT is an incredibly powerful tool and can be pretty dangerous depending on how you view it. Many people are starting to fear for their jobs. Teachers have raised for concern that children might start cheating, that ChatGPT might make cheating easier. But I strongly believe that we should not fear innovation, but rather look for a way that we can take advantage of innovation. So this brings me to my next point, which is how can we take advantage or how can we make money from ChatGPT? Like I said earlier, you can use ChatGPT to make code. So you can literally make other chatbots and sell them to brands and businesses. Chatbots can really elevate a brand or a business. You can also write scripts for videos and avoid paying a scriptwriter. There are so many ways to save money and make more money using ChatGPT. As you can see on the screen, it can write an entire script just from prompting it to do so using a title too. ChatGPT is a very good tool, especially for content creators, as you can get viral video ideas as well. So you might be thinking, well, I can get these ideas from any search engine, but you're gonna want to hear this. ChatGPT was trained using a huge database of information from the web, which makes it very resourceful. So you might be wondering, how do I use ChatGPT and is it free? Well, it's really simple. Basically, you can just type the link on the screen to any browser of your choice and click the direct link in my description. After doing that, you can type in your prompt in the big text box or click some of the examples on the screen. And finally, ChatGPT is free. Well, for now, as OpenAI might start charging to cover the large amounts of money spent on developing ChatGPT. So I advise you try it very quickly as possible. That'll be all for this video. Please subscribe, please like the video, and follow me on all my socials and let me know if you'd like more videos like this. See you in the next one.